That is what I'm hinting at, is that we still have potentially a little bit of downside. But Scott, I think, said it best. He always takes the cake with that, and we'll all just piggyback on this train together. But the halving doesn't necessarily mean right now. Everyone wanted this huge, big bump. We talked about it weeks ago. We didn't think so in our community. We have not been pushing that. We have not been promoting that. And that's obviously where we are, close to home. And this is a big however. The rest of the world and most of the other people who are novice and they're just dabbling and they're getting in, they wanted to see fireworks. Right? And perception still is king. So on that principle, and we know that a large amount of people who just have misplaced expectations wanted to see fireworks and did not see fireworks, perception being king might take some money away from the crypto market as a whole and help us get this little bit of a pullback.